Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Wonderhussy Adventures channel analytics. She has uploaded 612 videos. She now has 149k subscribers with a total view of 38,425,114 views. She's from US, and her channel type is travel. She created her channel since June 23, 2011. The grade she got is B, and her social blade ranking is at 137,680th. The subscriber ranking is 169,957th, and then video view rank is 142,597th. She ranked 32,737th in US and 1,451st in travel. Next, the daily subs for Wonderhussy is around 134 with a daily view of 48,748. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 49,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $196. Then, monthly income will be $5,880. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $3,234 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $38,809. That is how much Wonderhussy Adventures earns from YouTube.